Welcome back guys, welcome to another video of KW Tech official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily download and install Net Framework 4 on your PC. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to turn on the Windows updates if they are off or disabled. So just follow us, go to Explorer and right click on this PC and then click on Manage. After that, on this video click on Service and Application, then Services, and here find Windows Update and double click on it, and here you see in my case it is disabled. Just select manual or automatic and click on apply, and after that just click on start to start this window update service and press OK. So Windows updates are on successfully. Now we move toward the second step. Now you need to go to search and type control panel and open control panel. So from here just click on program and features, and in the side tab you will see turn Windows feature on or off. Just click on it and this Windows will appear. Here you see Net Framework 3.5 and 4.7 is unchecked. Just check these two folders and click on OK, and after that just click on download files from Windows Update, and it will take some time, and after that Net Framework 4 is download and installed on your PC. You just need to restart your PC once in order to start. If due to any reason this process does not work for you, then we will put two links in the video description, and with the help of these links you can download and install Framework 4.0 on your PC. Just follow us. So first of all, what you need to do is just copy that links from the video description and paste in the Google browser, and this Windows will open in front of you. This website, here you see all the detail related to the Microsoft.NET Framework 4 reducible package. Just click on download, and after clicking on download, your download will start in a moment, and here you see your download is start. So after that just click on the installer and it will start installing on your PC. But as you know, in my case Microsoft Framework 4 is already installed on my PC, so I was not able to install this in front of you, but it's really simple. So in this way you can easily download and install Net Framework 4 on your PC. So I hope that this video is helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.